Good morning, Mr. Davies. Do you have a moment? I had a question about the history assignment.
Good morning, Sophie. Of course. How can I help you?
In question number 2, where we have to write about the causes of the Second World War, I'm not sure which sources are the most reliable to use.
I understand. For that kind of assignment, it's important to consult a variety of reputable sources. Do you remember which types we discussed in class?
I think we talked about primary and secondary sources, but I'm not sure which would be best for this topic.
That's a good start. Primary sources are first-hand accounts or documents from the time period, like letters, speeches, or official records. Secondary sources are interpretations or analyses of those events, like books written by historians. For the causes of World War II, both can be valuable.
I see. So, primary sources could give me direct insights into the perspectives of people at the time, and secondary sources could offer broader analysis.
Exactly. Would you like us to go over a couple of examples of each that might be helpful?
Yes, please, that would help me a lot.
Okay. For primary sources, you could look at excerpts from Neville Chamberlain's speeches about appeasement or personal accounts from soldiers or civilians during the lead-up to the war. For secondary sources, you could consult books by